Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the brand new free Dior Riviera pouch. I'll be going over how to get it for free, an unboxing, what fits inside, mod shots, the pros and cons, and my overall final score of this bag. So if you'd like to find out for yourself how you can get one too for free, then please keep on watching. So first off, I'm gonna go over price and where to buy. So right now, at the time of filming this video at least, Dior is having this site-wide promotion where if you spend over $175, you can get this bag for free. You don't need any kind of promo code, you simply just have to spend the $175 and then it automatically gets added to your cart. So now I'm just gonna try on this bag and show you some mod shots with it. Now I'm just gonna go over the pros and cons of this bag. So the first pro I can think of is that it is free. Obviously that is the best pro you could ever think of. How often do you get a Dior clutch for free? I mean, I don't really see it as being free because you have to spend like almost $200 to get it. So I don't really see it as free, but you know what I mean. It was inexpensive. It's great for summer and matches pretty much any summertime dress. It can be converted into a wristlet or crossbody if you have an adjustable or removable strap of your own that you can add to it. And I also love that it has an interior zipper here for added security. Because if it was just folded down like this, I feel like things could easily fall out. So now on to the cons of this bag. So the first con I can think of is, of course, there is no included strap. There's nowhere for you to like hook the strap. There's no strap hooks included, so it is a little bit hard to attach a strap even if you wanted to. But yeah, the biggest con is that you have to like carry it handheld. I understand that that is the nature of a clutch, but some people might not like that, especially because it's straw or like raffia. So if your hands are dirty with like, I don't know, pizza sauce or something and then you grab it, it's really hard to clean. It can get dirty very easily and it's not easy to clean, which is especially a big con because you're constantly using your hands to carry it. So as for my final thoughts of this pouch, it feels somewhat cheaply made, and it's obviously nowhere near up to par with the quality of other Dior handbags, I imagine. But considering it was a free gift with purchase, it's pretty darn cute. So overall, if you can get your hands on this bag, I would recommend it. They also had another one a couple months ago around Mother's Day that was also raffia / straw that had a top zipper as well. But I personally prefer this flap style one because it looks more legit as a clutch in my opinion, but the top zip one is super cute as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly hope it was helpful to you. If it was, then please don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would truly mean more to me than you know. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!